times 3 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 1. This is a very interesting question. Okay, let's try solving it. If we go left to right, 8 times 3 equals 24 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 1, right? Now 24 minus 12 equals 12 divided by 4 plus 1, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3 and plus 1, right? 3 plus 1 equals 4. This gives us 4, but this is wrong. Why it is wrong? We must do all multiplication and division first, then subtraction and addition. Now let's solve it correctly. Solve again. Okay, multiply first. 8 times 3 equals 24 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 1, right? Okay, now divide first. 24 minus 12 divided by 4 equals 3 plus 1. Now division and subtraction from left to right. 24 minus 3 equals 21 plus 1. 21 plus 1 equals 22.